Hello everyone, Commander in Beef here, and today I'm going to show you how to use draftsight. Now for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to set a graph and place lines in draftsight. Okay, now here's draftsight. Now for those of you who do not know, draftsight is a free CAD software. And if you would like to learn CAD, please just download draftsight. I'll have the link in the description. And you just click Help, and here's everything you'd need to know about it. Okay, now today we'll just be learning how to make a grid. That's how we have to start. Okay, now here's your 0 point, right in between the X and Y axis. Now I'm gonna have to go down here, and you have to type grid. Specify it, then it should say something like, hold on, specify grid spacing. Just press enter. There you go. That's a normal 9 by 12 grid. Now, right here. Now let's say we want to make a borderline. And our part will be, let's say, okay, wait. Let's say 12 by 9, you know, the whole thing. Okay, click this right here. That is line. And then right here it says specify start point. Now, right here is our 0 point. I think we'll want to start there. So, I'm thinking that we'd have to start at 0, comma, 0. Press enter. And there you go. Now right here at ortho, right click that. And put ortho on. And you see, that just keeps the line straight in your direction. Now point your mouse to the direction you want the line to go in. And then type right there where it says specify next point. Type where you want to go. So 12 inches, enter. Okay, now it's 12 inches. Now I'll go 9 inches up, 12 inches that way, and 9 inches down. Okay, there we go. Right there is our part so far. It's just one solid block. Sorry about that, had to take care of something quick. Okay. Now, you're going to need to know a few things. Wait, just click this to end it? Okay. Like, I have to go to Paint right now and show you something. Please, feel free to copy this down. Okay. This is basically your screen. Now, now X and Y, they're just they're just too different. Y is up, X is across. Up, down, left, right. Okay. Now, right here is negative X. We'll go over what this means later in our lesson. And positive Y. And then down here is negative X, negative Y. If you have a slightly higher understanding of mathematics, you understand what this means. Plus X plus Y. And then down here is the last one. Negative Y and plus X. That right there is the appropriate graph. Now, after we put in that graph, after you write down that graph for later use, just X out. Okay, now back to draftsight. We're going to be creating a part. Now our part, we should start at 1.1. Now this will specify what to cut out in the solid block of metal. Now where it says specify start point, we want to put 1.1. Enter. And there it is. Now with ortho still on, it makes it quite easy. Part 2. Now across is 2.87. Now 2.87 converted is at 2.87 comma 0. And enter. There it is. Next is okay, it's about that size. Now next option is at 8.8800, comma 1. Now the reason it's like this is that it's going off the graph I just showed you. How much time do I have left? Because YouTube only allows 15 minutes. Okay, good. I have quite a lot. I can finish this part for you. And next is at 0.75 comma 0.18. We'll go over this in another. We'll go over how to determine the numbers in another lesson. Next is at -3.25 comma 1.57. Enter. Next is at -1.16 comma -1.63. This is going off the graph I showed you. Right here is your at 1.1 at 1 comma 1 is your 0 point. And that 0 point in the middle of the screen determines whether there'll be a negative sign or a positive sign above everything. Okay, next is at -0.84 comma 0. Enter. Oh, and look at that. Now last one. At 0.75 comma -1.12. Enter. And there you go. Now just click right here where you clicked the line before, and it'll take it over. It'll stop it. It will cut in the CAD. It would cut that out. This is just one lesson. Next time, I'll show you how to do different layers into your drawing, and also how to get a finer grid. Well, thanks for watching.